Christmas.
This was the last week of February. And we booked it off to go to Bonnie, Scotland, didn't we?
Yeah.
And explore the snow. But obviously Boris didn't want us to do that. He wanted us to stay at home. So, stayed at home, still have our week off. And we decided to see what our back garden has. And we found this yesterday. So we thought we'll come do it again in the sunshine. But it's just trees and fields. That's all we want. So just have a mooch around with the dog and switch off, don't we, kid?
Yeah. I've lived here for 40 years and didn't know this was here.
She's shocking.
I am shit.
So we're gonna have a little walk around and see how big this path is, how many fields you can go around, and see what's involved. Today, because it's pissing down outside, we're going to paint the utility room. So I'm not very good at filming this little tiny little space, but yeah, it just carries crap in it. Dishwasher, washing machine. Just pulled an old cupboard off the wall there from like 90 years ago. Dog normally sleeps down here, but
Instead of cleaning the dog's shite off the walls.
this is going to look a bit different in a few days' time, hopefully. So as with everything else, you find some crap in the cupboard that you didn't know you had. Just stop scrubbing a minute, love.
Sorry.
This one, we didn't know these are best before dates. Best before March 2019, so we're almost 2 years out of date. This one, best before April 2015. Let us know in the comments, do you think we should keep it? A £300 Gore-Tex in the washing machine for the sake of buying an £8 tub of stuff. Yeah. Might have created a bit of a mess behind the old cupboard. Started getting a bit happy with the scraping and it all started coming off. What do you do now? Just take a big picture over it, it'll be fine. So today, we thought it was going to be easy. The kitchen is full of crap. But if we go in your utility room, so today we thought we were going to get all the cutting in done and then the first coat, but we didn't. As you can see, there's hardly anything done, but cutting in down that bit there, so it's going to take a bit longer than we thought. This is not going to be good. This smoker has been... ignore that bit over there. We haven't finished this garden yet. This smoker has been sitting here for 6 months at least. Hasn't had any food cooked on it. I think it's going to be a little bit grubby. You ready, kid?
Mm-hmm. Oh, nice.
Oh, I smell the penicillin.
Oh, yeah, I'm not washing that, babe.
Why not?
That's rank, you dirty bastard.
Isn't it just?
Sheesh.
That's gonna... we're gonna have to burn it with fire.
Yeah.
The bowl is completely
I can
green.
see it.
It's not always glamorous. Sometimes we stay at home and just paint the mirror. There's no stopping me now. Day of DIY. Put 2 shelves up, didn't I? Used me drill and everything. As you can see from the excitement of Oscar, we're going for a walk. So what we're going to see today, our local stone penis in the sky.
Yeah, the dream.
The dream is a local penis. So let's go and see what it's like.
Yeah.
Well done, girl. Looks a bit surreal, doesn't it?
Yeah. Still looks quite knob-like on that video.
Phallic.
Yes.
So our local phallic member is called Ex Terra Lucem, from the earth comes light. I think it's called the Dream. Let's have a look. So you got the history of the site, which is an old quarry. The story of the Dream, basically some bloke called Joan Maquette wanted to do a picture of a young girl's face in here on the M62. Strange. Yeah, I'm not reading all that, but yeah, it's a big old, as you can see, a big old phallic looking face. So that was our phallic member along the M62. Great what you see when you come to the northwest.